In this lesson, we are going to add Parse framework into our project. So let's start where we left off last time. Immediately after you sign up, you add the Parse welcome screen. In this course, we are using Parse data for storing and using data in the cloud. So let's just click on the Parse data, select Mobile, iOS, Objective-C, and we are setting up our SDK in the existing project. Now we can simply follow steps on this page. Download the SDK by clicking on the link here. Once the download is complete, let's unzip the file. Go to Downloads, unzip it. Once you unzip the file, you are able to see parse.framework. I am going to add Parse framework into framework group. So let's go to the Xcode, select framework, click File, add files to push notification test, go to the Downloads, and add the parse.framework. Make sure that you will check copy items into destination group folder. Click Add. Great. Go back to the browser and let's look up to the step 3. The Parse framework relies on many other framework and library to work with. You need to add those dependency into your project. So go back to the Xcode and click on the main project tab. Go to the build phases. Expand the link binary with libraries. Click on the plus sign and we can add more frameworks into our projects. Let's add all frameworks. The toolbox and libc, mobile core services, Quartz core, security framework, store kit, system configuration, and social framework. Now we have finished adding the necessary framework and library into our project. Let's initialize Parse. According to the documentation, first we need to import parse header file. So go back to the Xcode and import parse in appdelegate.m. To initialize parse, copy the line from the quick start guide and paste it into did finish launching with options. Also we want to enable parse analytics and let's copy the line as well. Finally, let's see if the SDK works. I'm going to copy the code on test SDK and paste it after the initialization code. Now we will run our app. Now go back to the quick start guide and click on test. It says congrats, you saved your first object, but how we will confirm it? Go back to the top of the page and select data browser. Now you can see we have a class called testObject with one value object in it. The object has the key foo with the value bar. This shows that we successfully stored a test object in the Parse cloud. I highly recommend you to play around with the dashboard. It has very simple interface, yet it is very powerful. So we have successfully integrated Parse into our app. See you in the next lesson.